We are going to cook a big paella in our school. This is the recipe.
Olive oil and tomato. Sweet paprika and chicken. Green beans and rice. Salt, saffron y rosemary. Water twice the amount of the rice.
Put salt and olive oil in the paella pan. Cook over a low heat.
When it's hot, add the chicken. Cook over a high heat in the beginning.
When the chicken is browned, we add the vegetables. The vegetables are cooked.
Cuando quieras.
We add the tomato in the center of paella bar. Now we add the sweet paprika.
Ahí.
Be careful if the sweet paprika is overcooked. The paella will taste bitter.
Correcto.
Queda uno. Fuera. ¿Y ahora qué queda? Añadir el agua. When it's dry, we add the water, twice the amount of the rice.
We cook over medium heat for 20 minutes.
We add colorant.
Now we spread the rice over the paella.
We cook it over high heat just in the beginning, later medium heat. The rice we will cook in 20 minutes.
5 minutes later, we add rosemary.
After 20 minutes, leave to stand for 5 minutes.
The paella is ready. Let's eat.